Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step 5 best camera tips on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Turn on grid lines for composition. Proper composition is the foundation of great photography, and Galaxy phones make it easy with grid lines. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the camera applications. Tap on the menu icon and go to the settings. Scroll down until you see the composition guide, tap on it, and turn it on. Make sure to select the grid lines and level option. This will display a grid on your camera screen, helping you align your shots perfectly using the rule of thirds. This simple step can drastically improve your photo composition. Method 2. Use night mode for low light. Low light conditions can be tricky, but Samsung's night mode makes it simple. Open your camera app and tap on More at the bottom. From the list of options, select Night to activate this mode. Night mode automatically adjusts exposure, reduces noise, and captures brighter, sharper images in dark environments. This is perfect for cityscapes at night or indoor low-light photography without needing a tripod. Method 3. Use single take for multiple shots. Want multiple creative options from one shot? Use single take. Open the camera app, tap More, and select single take. Press the shutter, and your phone will automatically photos, videos, and effects simultaneously. This feature ensures you never miss a perfect moment, as it generates a variety of media from just one tap. Method 4. Turn on Pro Mode. For full control over your camera settings, Pro Mode is your best friend. Open the camera app, tap More, then select Pro. Here you can manually adjust ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus. This mode is perfect for advanced users who want precise control over every aspect of their shot. Method 5. Use Portrait Mode to capture professional-looking photos with a blurred background. Use Portrait Mode. Open the camera app and tap on Portrait. This mode allows you to customize the level of background blur and even apply lighting effects to enhance your subject. It's ideal for portraits, selfies, and product photography. Follow these 5 tips and you'll be taking stunning photos with your Samsung Galaxy phone in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.